welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day one of this vlog. I hope you have fun with me this weekend because I'm headed to Durban. My husband and I are going on Baecation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Just pause this video and subscribe because this is the place to be. We are in Montrose. We're getting coffee. I've been driving for the past 2 hours. So we are at Mojabeng Mall. This is where I used to come when I lived here, by the way. We just went by my bestie's house and changed before we go check into where we'll be staying this whole weekend. I'll check in again a little bit later. This is my squad. Please tell people to subscribe to my channel.
Let's see some love.
Subscribe. Where did they subscribe? Yeah, I'm gonna link something down here. Came to get these and sunscreen. Haven't bought sunscreen in forever, so I don't even know where we need to go. I need to know where we're going. He's just as clueless as I am.
There he is over there.
Yay! Yes, perfect. Got it. You can't be in Durban and be busking away. I don't want to be more tan than I already am, naturally. See you later. We have finally arrived. Oh my gosh, and we got lost on our way here, but yeah, we're finally here. And we went to 3 Woolworth stores looking for the House of B&G wine, champagne, that. And it was nowhere to be found. I was so disappointed because I really wanted to drink it and celebrate, see my best friend after 8 years, whom I speak to every single day of my life, by the way. So weird. So let me put on my mask and check in, and then I'll do a room tour just now. Wait, we're still on day one. You are aware of that. I just changed my outfit because I changed my outfit and then I put on a little bit of makeup so that I'll look cool in my photos. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you don't already do. Yes. I got this. As long as I'm popping something, I'm celebrating being with my BFF. Bye. Yeah, that's how you know she's my bestie. That is so me. party after party after party. Yeah. Party after party after party. So we have checked in and it is really, really beautiful. I'm so excited to show you around. Well, we have our stuff all over the room, but don't mind that. Just look at how beautiful the room is, and the environment itself is just pleasing and healing and amazing. So yeah, let me do that room tour and then we're going to party. Kuyanet.
Yeah. Okay, it's fine.
You see this thing?
May you please pass me the bottle? Oh, adult bottle?
Adult today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a old malume tree.
Uncle, malume.
Yes. It's a phone and then that song.
Nokia?
That's obvious. What?
I don't know this.
And time anyway.
You want?
Nobody knows what these things are. Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of my vlog. If you are just joining, I am on a vacation with my husband in Durban, and so far it's been so fun. We're actually here with my bestie and her man, and yeah, we're just having tons of fun. We had a lot to drink last night. We played 30 seconds and my husband and I smashed the out of there. Yeah, because we're cool like that. I hope you can hear me because I have my morning voice and it can be very crusty. I already opened the sliding door because I wanted to see the beautiful view. It's raining, but the rain is gonna stop by maybe 10, and then we can continue with our day and our plans. But nonetheless, even if it's raining or the weather is bad, we're gonna be doing everything we wanted to do. And if that means putting on a bikini and going to the beach, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Doesn't matter how the weather is like, because wow, yay. Oh yeah, my husband is still sleeping. Let me just show you how it looks outside, though it's a little bit annoying because it's raining. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Please subscribe. And remember to like this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and comment, ask me anything, and I'll give you a reply fast. again. I woke up with pimples. Ah, damn it. Anyway, we're going for breakfast now. I haven't showered. We're going for breakfast. Yeah, this is where we were playing 30 seconds last night. It's a really cool environment. Yeah, we're going for breakfast, and then after that, that's where our room is. After that, we should be going to the beach, and then Ushaka. I know how traditional that is, but we're doing it anyway because we wanna. We are going.
Hey,
Hey, honey.
hey, stranger.
How am I a stranger? Kawan ma. Room 3. Yes. Ah. There they are. Thank you, honey. So we are going to Ushaka Marine World. Oh shit.
So that coming.
So we're doing like the most touristy thing ever, going to Ushaka. Don't know how many times I've been there, but it doesn't get old. Siva, I can't see you. Come. Look at her, she's so pretty. Love, why are you yawning?
Because he's tired. He's been driving from when? From last.
But I relieved him when we came.
20 fucking minutes.
What? Lies. I drove for like an hour or like
Slept
2.
for 20 minutes.
Yeah, because you didn't wanna. He was like, I just needed a short nap, and I napped for like 3 hours.
That's
Is that
not
even
a nap.
I was sleeping. It's not a nap. Are you okay? So where this is going on my YouTube channel,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So you're fine with?
Monkey face.
Okay. No problem. Durban is so beautiful, yet it's raining. But what I love about my people is that we all feel the weather is not, it's not going to ruin our plans. Right, Sila? The weather is not ruining our plans.
I don't. It's fine. Yeah, it's making it more interesting.
Perfect. Like
And
we
people
just,
won't be there.
yes,
Yeah,
at the
human
beach.
beings.
Yeah.
Oh, go away, creatures.
So it will just be us at the beach in the rain. We don't care. If we're gonna be sick after, people get sick all the time. It keeps falling.
Let it rain. Let it fall.
Let it rain, let it pour. My boob wants to come out. My boob wants to peep. Wants to come out. Damn it, I'm so pretty.
You're the Maxwell level.
Matswele,
Hey.
Matswele. Matswele. Hey, Matswele, wo. Oh, like it's gonna even have Okay, so I'll check back in when we're at Ushaka.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you can all agree with me when I say that these three handsome boys have been absolutely phenomenal out here today. So please put your hands together one more time and show your total appreciation for Kelsey.
Beneath this purple sky, lie deeply buried in the midst of all the oh, you and I, we're on that road to Bella beneath the purple sky.
Well done, boys.
I think you can tell that I am having a great time. Okay, so we just came back from Oshaka Marine and we are very tired. It's also raining so bad, but it's not like bad, but it's bad, if you get what I mean. Like on a scale of on a scale of 1 to 10, it's like
5.
5, really? Yeah, like it's bad, but not like bad. Can't really explain it, but I've decided to go to the beach tomorrow. I mean, you cannot come to Durban and not go to the beach, especially if you're staying in
6.1 kilometers.
Where we
turn
staying?
right onto Swartful Road.
where,
Oh no.
the area.
Oh.
Never
There it is. In yeah, I wanted the accent in Amshanga. You cannot not go to the beach if you stay in Amshanga. Yes. Yeah, the most favorite stadium is here. Yeah. It's beautiful.
You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby why not come? Yeah. And I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low, on the low, on the low.
We are here for dinner at baby, what's this place name? Legacy Yard. It's a new building. I've never been here before. It's beautiful. Oh my word, let me show you. We just had a really beautiful dinner and some mojitos. So we're going home. We're going back to Boma. As you can see, it's after 11. Durban is still crazy. Thank you, Annie. Durban is crazy. It's after 11, almost to 12. And
You don't get this in Johannesburg.
no, we don't.
In Johannesburg,
10 o'clock
at
curfew.
9:30.
We have a 10 o'clock curfew.
9:30.
We're responsible citizens in Joburg. So yeah, I don't know what this is about, but I want to be part of it. Every day, any day. We're moving in Durban. Oh my word. This is almost the end of day 2 of my vlog. Did I show you when we had another game night tonight? Because we did before we came here. But if I didn't, I'm gonna show you a short video over here. Clearly, we were having a lot of fun. Back. I'm gonna sleep. I can't wait to sleep. Then tomorrow, day 3, I'll check in again tomorrow. For today, good night. Well, thank you for watching. Do not stop this video because it's going on after this. I'm just going to sleep. Welcome to day 3, which is the last day, our last day in Durban. Tomorrow is Monday, so it's back to work for all of us. I think you have seen how much fun we've been having. It's been amazing. It's still cold in Durban, but we're going to the beach today. We didn't go yesterday. We had planned to go, but then it started raining, so that was a little bit annoying. Also, we were so tired from Ushaka Marine World. There's not much to do there, but the walking around and the chatting, the taking pictures, and socializing, all of that drained most of our energy, and then we're like, let's just go home. So we got home, had a little bit of a game night vibe. We had so much fun. We had so much fun. Check this out. Anyway, so today we're going to the beach, and then I'm gonna buy myself a new pair of sneakers because I deserve them, and they look like my best friend's ones. She has a pair. It's very, very lovely, and she has good taste. Last night we played games, had tons to drink, and then went out for dinner and a little bit of dancing. And what else? Yeah, then we came back home, and obviously we had a very great night. I think by now you have subscribed to my channel, but if you have not, please subscribe. Please like this video and leave any comments, anything you want to say, anything you want to ask. Yeah, just leave a comment down below. I can't believe I've had this in this cup this whole time. My friend always tells me to not do that because it's primitive, apparently. I didn't see it. So when she watches this video, she's gonna be like, MJ, you don't listen. Or if she walks out of here, she's gonna be like, no, you don't listen. So we're about to have breakfast now. We're so hungry. Are you starving? Are you starving?
Is it like Sunday morning?
Are you hungry? Sadera, are you hungry?
Sorry. You got that please.
We are famished. So we are we're going to the beach.
Yes, because it's that time, and that's what you guys came here for. Not to see me, but for the beach, actually. I know.
It's a lie.
I know. Baby, can you please like do things so that the lighting is just not on me? Maybe because I'm
Where to?
to the beach.
To Amstanga. What should he tap on the GPS, baby?
Yo!
Is the car Wi-Fi on?
No, just.
It's on.
So. Yeah.
Which one? Okay, the closest one is.
Amstanga.
Baby, don't tickle me, man. Oh, wow, at the wrong time, okay. Wait.
It's this one.
Guys, why didn't you open for me in the morning when I was knocking?
Too many questions.
We were looking for the key.
Lies from hell. Yo!
That thing wasn't letting.
You're looking for the key. You don't open with the key when you're inside.
Yeah, you just go.
Thing,
You
that
just.
thing, I'm saying that thing wasn't letting it. The light wasn't moving. From last
It's
night.
a lie. It's a lie.
And I was in there, I'm just like, sir, what does she want? What do you want?
I just went back and I was like, yo,
going down.
It's going down.
So how are you going to open? I'll give her.
Yeah, I'll take a short video when we get to the beach so you can see us flourish in this weather because we are cool like that.
Well, they always
Remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Yeah.
subscribe, and you must like, and you must comment, you must
Leave
say
some of-
nice things. Thumbs up, no
Yep.
thumbs down, because that thumb will go up somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe to MJ's channel
Mojabeng.
and leave some.
Thumbs up.
Yeah,
Let's go to the beach. Beach. Woo! I'm so excited.
Yeah, do shake it now. Yes.
Bye.